Hello boss, I'm George for use machine. It's professional and reliable. This is a SANY AG18 diesel concrete pump. Let's have a look at it. The original pan is still good. The other side is an original pan. Okay, let's see the inside. It's a new model of SANY 180 kilowatt diesel engineer. And this is the control box. The one is regular. And two of Kawasaki main oil pump. SANY valves. All are in original pan. The other side of the machine. The engineer is in good condition. The main oil pump. SANY valve. And the hydraulic oil is clear. We are the resource of used concrete machine in China. There are still a large number of SANY Zoomline concrete pump, truck mounted concrete pump at my work. If you like it, contact me freely.